Good morning, mommy.
Good morning, black boy.
Can I get something to eat?
You wash your face for morning?
No.
You tidy out your room for morning?
No, I'm not doing that yet.
You wash up your plate?
I'm not doing that yet, mommy.
You know, do none of that. From when you rake up the yard, and me have to come now and I rake the yard, and now you come to me come about something to eat. When you rake up the yard, go brush your teeth and wash your face.
Black boy!
Black boy can't come to you this morning, you know, because black boy no do nothing in the yard from morning. So he have to do what he have to do before he come out of the yard. You do anything in your yard from morning?
Wash my face and brush my teeth.
So
Wash my plate them.
You wash up your plate them?
Yeah.
Okay, well black boy no do that there from morning. So you go down to your yard and make black boy finish the way he have to do.
I wait for you out there, so. Do what your mother said to do. I'm going to go here. I wait for you.
Alright, go on.
Alright.
Yeah. You hear your friend can go and do something. So you find something to do. See rake you now and start rake up your yard.
Go on fire.
Burn it down. What go on?
There, man.
They are dealing.
So wait me come check your fire now.
Yeah, so I may say the portion you're asking for right now, I not so much. You know what I mean? But I link with this. I think with this is the right person because with this having much portion of what they want. Because business where I do, every movement's that. You know what I mean? I love a local portion for 12 warriors them where, you know what I mean, we are holding the peace. And that's why I want to look at meditation and yeah, the push I mean, I have the wide scale, you know. But I link with this for a short still, you know what I mean?
2 pound now go work.
You know
I push my thing, so.
Yeah, man.
I think we have a portion I think we need.
Yeah, man, I call him, man, and I want good strain you have.
Good straight.
Yeah, man, it's a good strain.
You give me the tester one night still, you know, but it not too. You see me, so.
Yeah, man.
I
So
do
check
that.
him, man, just check him. Is it?
One
Down,
day, yeah.
down. We're there, man.
Why you rake your yard good, you know? And when you don't remember, say you have a plate then, you go wash before you come out of your yard. Because here your friend do what you have to do already before you come out of your yard. Me no business about that. That don't have nothing to do with me. Do what you have to do. Make me see what you have to do. When you're done do it, then you can come out of your yard. Not before you're done do what you do.
Grown man, sir.
Yes, boss.
I talk to your father, you know. The same time, you know, walk on a pass, I look on the plum tree, you know. Money, get your plum. I don't want none of my yard. I go broke one on a finger, one on a hand. If you set stone else fling over them, I'll take a fling, you look at your hand. You know what I mean? The tree, I work, I do work, it I provide. You know what I mean? So your parents must provide for you, you get a little money for your parents. So when you buy socks and sweetie, you use it buy plum. Alright, sir? Morning, Miss Cheryl.
Good morning, Mr. Curious.
Yes, a black boy, may I get advice still.
Yes.
Because the plum tree did about the little pitney them. Now pay attention.
Oh.
Like Big Boy, him and Chucky and Brown Man.
Yes.
Them just run there, lick down and plumb them and
No.
announce a business.
No, they can't do that. They can't do that.
No.
Black boy no do that.
No, Black Boy don't do that.
Okay,
So me tell Black Boy, they said money used to go buy the socks at shop and the sweetie them. You save a look $100, come check me and you pick 2 plum, you have plum to serve you. You know what I mean?
You hear that, black boy?
Yes, man.
Alright.
Because you know good for practice it trouble people things so now. That's why you have so much thief in our country.
That is true. That is true.
That's why the country runs so. Because you know here upon the tell live vision last night me I watch it. So them thief $124 million missing. You know what I mean?
Yes.
So I know nobody no find it.
So somebody have to give accountable for that.
Me don't know but me I search it because they say last. The news say that they last. So you know say nobody thief. Me not say nobody thief, you know, then say it last.
It last.
So me I search it. But in the meantime I try run my plum business.
Yes.
Black boy.
You hear
don't be
that,
like
black
the rest
boy?
of people,
Don't trouble Securious Plum. Ask him for it if you want.
Alright,
buy
you
it.
carry your money come.
No, him say I carry me.
Yeah, don't ask me.
So,
Don't ask
so
me.
nothing I go away for free. Alright?
Yeah, don't ask me. I cannot ask for leniency if you pay me land tax. So don't ask me about plum, can you look at money come.
Alright.
I say country go run good.
So how much you go give me for $100?
When you come we talk about business. We know that plum tree now, but me just tell us say money talk. Yeah man, so when you take care and I get mother no trouble. Yeah?
Alright, and thank you, Mr. Curious.
Alright. Money down.
My next truck there. My next truck. My next truck. My next truck. My next truck there. Oh Jesus Christ! Mommy! Truck! It's a truck!
Yeah, bad for truck for.
Mommy, can't find my truck!
So no one chuck that in your hand.
Mommy, this is not my truck! This one, this is not my truck!
so you're
My
fine.
favorite truck!
Why?
I can't find my truck, Mommy!
Okay, big boy. Happy nice. Come on, Chuck. Look what me gonna do to you. Alright, since I you prefer your truck, me will go cook some food for you, but you don't look like you want the food. Me pot. Let me go look for your truck. Now chuck that in your hand.
Mommy, this is not my truck, Mommy. I talk about my favorite truck.
If me give you some lick in your today, your papa tan one in there and feel it. Where do you play so far? Look there. Watch out. No. Look here now. Watch out. You go and take them up. Big boy, take them up. Take them up all the bag. Jesus Christ. Boy. Look here. It come like I say blood pressure you want give me. Take up your bag. But you know say out of the door. Mommy. When you go cook something you feel about you shall never name till you're too big and lazy and craving about your bag. Take them up. Out of that. Take up them. And look at your big old dirty shoes, you can't dash it down the so take up your bag, take you. Out hard an hour. As the great man slap you in your face, then I know manners. But me want me chuck. Can't even spell chuck. See a piece of dirty fancy out there. You wake up. You don't even brush your teeth from man, you wake up and come back about chuck. Calm down yourself. Calm down. Oi, calm down. Calm down. See your piece of all that here. Take it. Me I go look for the chuck. And if you continue ball, me nobody look for it, you know. Because you know me see already. Me I go look for the chuck. So shut up your mouth. Go in the bathroom, go brush your teeth and wash your face.
Morning, Miss Cutie.
Good morning, big boy.
Little Cutie over there.
You know, so she asleep? How I have something for her?
Yeah, I have something for her. Come feed. Me did forgive her for her birthday, but me never have it, but me find $100 me I give her for her birthday.
Alright, big boy, thank you. At least I still give her something.
Alright.
I give her when she wake here.
Alright. Alright.
Yo, man, guess what that's brother them? Eh? Eh? Wait. Hey,
Tell me, mother.
You're good boy, man. I'm going, big boy.
Oi, let him go. I want him. Fight,
I'm ready to go to school. I'm asking about school.
No, but you're bigger than him, you cannot play with him so rough.
Nah, man, I said him play, man.
No, play with him so, no play with him so. No, let him go. See then now he say you're any man of friend. Me not understand them kind of ram.
No, me better not play my blood. Eh?
Mommy, me don't know him, mommy.
Big boy, you really say that? You really say that, youth?
Me don't know you.
Alright, no problem, man.
Look here, no play so rough.
No problem.
Me not stop you from playing, but no play so rough. You're bigger than him, you can't do that. Come go in the yard. You love Ram too much too. Go in the yard. This time you're in a mix up.
See? I have $100. See? I'm going to take rest. I buy 2 Plum.
Different from that though. You know, so I tell you a Kite here, bro.
Never know.
See it on TV, I promote, man. You have to build some Kite today. But different from that though. Rasta miserable, I'm not go play. I will call you till I come back.
Alright. Fireman! Ras!
How that?
Yeah, 2 Plum more.
Yeah, some food me I eat and I know. Push $100 on the door and pick 2 plum off I 3 down there. How much plums have you pick?
2.
1, 2.
Okay, see it here.
Push it on there, yeah. Alright, go on with your thing.
Alright.
Ah.
How long may I be playing my youth?
Get 2, man.
So where you get Plum?
I'm going to store up there.
I go climb a tree and I get a soldier climb.
Alright, then.
Or fling.
You look risky though.
Oh, I may tell you.
But I hold it funny and I tell me.
Alright, make yourself you can fling all it on 2 of them.
You tell me to pick 2 of me. Nah, pick 2. Because make a money.
One fling me.
One thing.
One fling me up and all it on 20 of them.
Go on. Jesus Christ, I eat that man.
Why? I tell you. Boy, say me unlucky job. Father, work.
Up on the road now. Alright, touch road.
Up there! Boy! Nothing again. See, like today, your day, no, not my day. What want to do? Are you still not slapping on my time? Boy, I tell you. Bro! Bomba star! No! One diggy one. You know, sir, Rasta now come to you. What go on fire?
One money for a while ago, 2 man have him on the tree.
Well, I just want you.
Who paid money a while ago?
Me.
Alright, you come out of my yard. You have money?
The one alone me get, you know.
Alright, so pick off one more. So what them there? What them there?
Not for me them, boss.
How much pay for them?
Eh? Not pay no money for them. My friend pay for them already.
Put them down. Give one more time. Give one. Take up one.
No, I want a fresh one off a tree.
Fresh one off a tree?
Yeah, I don't want
them. Go
them.
for fresh money.
Eh?
Go for your fresh money come.
But look, no more money.
So, Rasta, you do this so rough, those are juvenile.
Yeah,
Take time with them, man.
Take them one and go on. Take them and go on.
Alright,
Take time with them, man.
Take them
Juvenile,
and go on. Take them and go on. Alright.
we can't pick 2 diggy more, please.
Hello.
Please.
Please, no, boss.
Just 2 more.
Listen now. This is the land of making money. Please, it's not a place of please. Hello, move fast. Move fast.
You 2 more.
Let me tell you, Billy Kite, my kite is a come up, brother. Did a waste time on you. Couldn't build no kite now there, no?
So you get
I want kite man, I see a pass. I'm buy one kite for him. My chain, limit.
Oh, if you limit and I buy a bike,
My grandmother give me trade, brother.
so you could get this to me.
I'm telling you, the kite fish are coming up. You see it come on TV. You think say man, them would just take time and get up something to talk Billy Kite.
My daughter, you alright? You sure? You eat already? What do you want to eat?
More bun and thin sausage.
Bun and thin sausage. Alright, me I go on the road go drop off something. Don't leave your yard, you know. Don't leave your yard. I'm not look girl this year these days. Don't leave your yard. You hear me say? Alright. Soon come.
Alright.
Come like you don't answer the call.
Go on, apply. More.
No.
More.
No, you can't get.
You really mean. You mean. You pick for the plum. Oh, you there, big boy. Oh, the man run past you.
Idiot.
So, you go and play show off in the kite. You have build kite too?
Yeah, I want to build one kite. So what we are doing?
I don't know what to do.
Yo, look a boy, come here. Look a boy, come here. Yeah. I want to get the best to build
Say
kite.
no here say a kite fest. You see, come over TV. See that kite fest.
Kite fest.
Yeah.
Kite face. You know here.
Tell them your kite.
My kite now, you know, hard it me to build this. And you want to bury look on it, you see? You don't even.
Yeah, come we go build your own kite. Papa. Come on, Papa.
I want kite man, I see a pass and buy some for him.
Come on, Papa.
For business pay for it. Come on. Yo, come on, go fly ship there. Hot man.
You build one bigger kite than that. Come on, Chuck.
You know if you make build kite?
No, but me can't learn how to build kite.
Because I don't know if you make it.
Me can't learn now. See boy, drop it.
Take time and man.
Beat me one time, you know. I figure it, yeah. I'm a brother.
What you can't laugh off him?
I'm my turn to laugh.
I'm not laugh off of my
I don't feel I'm to you. I don't feel I'm to you. You're informer.
Yo, come here and cut up my and laugh at my brother and say me on a friend, man.
You're informer. We are here no friend.
Full time I come.
Come on.
Full time I come.
Come on, Chuck.
Full time I come here.
Who laugh the best? Come on, Chucky. Go build with her. That's your team. Remember when you tell your father?
Yeah, but we match, I should have match here now, we can get on leak.
We'll build for the kite. Better on that.
I know where did that so long, man. Long but they are wait for her, man. Where she that so long? Oh, see how you come. Go on.
There, man, really, so if you hear that, you know.
Everything in there.
Everything in there. Respect.
I grade, you know, man. Boom, what? Real thing.
Yo, you know, say boy ain't gonna build kite boy. Bad mind of a kite, you know.
That me realize, man.
She not even know man I youth.
Man, tell you. Fly the kite and the your kite.
Brother, you kite look good, man. Here you wanna go?
Come on.
You can't forward.
Come on, Chucky. Come on.
Can't forward, man. You're not bigger brother.
No, stay.
You know what? Yeah, bust up. Come on. You look good, man.
Yo, to put me Kite, mash up. Yo. Kite now, what good enough?
Bad man, just straight bigger than we. You want to tell my brother, oh, make my brother live. Everything alright, man. Don't drop them company. Watch out, put this truck there. Wait. Go for your truck, man. Hold on, nobody come. Nobody now come, I don't feel nobody truck, man. Go on for it. You know them are bad man now when they see that put the truck there.
Jeez,
I'm
I'm
press
peeing.
your food and chuck there.
I ain't something brand new today.
Come on.
Brand new.
So here what? You go.
Kite them no, but I
want it. Come on. They have a bad man actually.
go play it.
Brand new. You got it now, man?
Yeah.
Let me see it.
Down the new truck.
There's a big boy, I got bad man for this. Probably when Chucky see me, you want to take this for me, because I say I look one my bigger boy, I'm for this year, you know. Well, I'm back funny.
See, look
Say me can't find my car.
Well, I never know what to turn on.
You can't turn on.
What you put it like them?
You see?
What you put it like them? What you put it like them?
But
Red light.
yo.
Nice wheels.
Yo, chuck this side of you. Chuck this side of you.
This is the right or something.
But
Good man.
who they?
Jeez,
Well, rims.
rims up. Tilt up. Tilt. Look on all the shocks them like good.
Tell her.
Jeez, Jay,
You're pretty young, man. Tell her.
the shocks them like good no man. Turn down now. You see that? Nice pretty light.
First man one chucking in my life, you know.
First, man, see one
First.
thing. First time.
And you have a white wheel too. White wheel.
White. And well, rims up. And tilt. And shocks and everything up.
Alright. I'm tired now. No breeze up there. Yo, Chucky. Huh? That's what I said, you know. No breeze down blue. Alright, I'm hungry. Right, I'm hungry to eat them. Jumping that grass hungry, so you scratch me. And daddy love beating up. I'm thirsty. Ready? Alright, that's the way I can. Yo, me tell you, listen, this didn't even fix good. Yo, that's my rifle now. Yo, no one the clock too. I'm playing now, Kite again. See boy them a go over there, so I go look for Brittany. Yeah, do what? I look for Brittany. You can't go, me a go down. Come, so make me a go on, you know? No, the bully come on my yard. I mean, now go down there. You're too afraid. The bully come try to bud me up this morning and mommy box him in the face and spit on him this morning. Me not take them chance in a big boy. You want to go on? Go on, yeah? Me not tap you. Go on. You're too afraid. Me not part with you again. You have to come back. Me not part with you again. You're too afraid. Alright. Make sure you don't go over me yard, you know. Me don't have to go over there. What you know? What big boy run? Tell you? Me have to catch you. Turn it down. Come on.
I'm there, man.
You think say you can check about the Plum and let me see you can check about the Plum?
You know, say, I really want the Plum them, but I'm kind of busy now.
Where say you are there now?
I did throw away big boy truck, so I'm going to look at me find it back. Because I nice man make a made and I can't take it problem.
Well, if I'm never busy with that father, I go there right now. I go for my daughter. So.
Where your daughter there?
I'm up with my mother.
Oh.
So, I'm going to cast some gear and then. I don't know if she'll come down with me or not.
But me check later we talk about the plum business we talk about for a man.
Yeah, man.
But you good though.
Them, yeah.
I see your bumper, bro. Go on, do your thing. Maybe we talk about it. Go on, good girl.
Alright. Hello. Yeah, you know say that's something I call about your son. You know him bad and stay already. Boy. I don't know. But that's something I call you to tell you still. The one thing where you give me in my whole life since he born. He make me get mad and fling away. You know what? You don't give me anything else more than one chuck. You know the chuck? And me fling away now, me come back and look for it. And me sure say I right as some throw it. But me not see it. Me not see it. And me not have no money. You have to go buy back one for him. You not give him nothing. And me I do everything for him. You must can buy back. Yeah, me know say it's your fault. Let me dash away. But me just tell you say, you not do nothing else for him, so you must can buy back a truck for him. I'll do and you throw it away. Me know say I'm me. Yeah, me know I'm full of attitude. But don't worry yourself. You buy back the truck or you not buy back. And you know how big boy stay now. Big boy, right now, I'll be a ningy in my ears take of the one truck. And a fee fault make me throw it away. You buy it back? Yes or no? Just tell me. Because my credit are done. Alright, but make sure you say you buy back one same truck like it and the same size, same color, same everything. Alright then. Yeah man. And you need to talk to your son. You have to stand up and help the mother them with their son. With a matter of fact, you make me all chat foolishness. Because you sure you told me an idiot for me, you did that? You have to help the mama them with no pitney and stop left them. What? You not left them for the mother. Right now I'm me alone and struggle with big boy. A pay problem he might give me. Alright then. Because I can't stand up here so no longer. You know this a bushy place. I'm sure it's alright here so I throw it truck. I don't see it there. Alright, make sure you say bye back. Yeah man, later just call me. Alright.
See you coming here, baby. What a good thing we ain't great big boy. What you do? Man go a bush.
What do you?
You don't know what mama and papa do. That's something there.
Alright then, come on.
Ready? Wait, bush. You can climb? No, open some. So, come on, baby. Before you make big boy come. Open bush. Let the ladies before gentlemen. Come.
1 minute.
Come on, baby.
Open a bush.
Yeah. Why you good for climb though? Courage.
Watch your man. Come on.
What's with? It's right better than that.
They ain't gone up the road.
Come on, I just left there, so look where everything gone.
They ain't gone left me. They never tell me so they ain't gone still.
Imagine mommy gone and left in a yard and I tell them to say, to play while I prepare food for them to eat. You understand? And you make him better than gone.
But I know me make them gone.
Look for me, I talk to him and fix a face, man. Hear me say? Don't let you out, you know.
Alright,
Just
brother.
easy and go on. You understand? Just don't let you out today.
Alright, brother.
You go on start or something. Here. Alright.
Brittany.
You alright?
I'm alright.
When you come around and feed you again?
No.
You say you're not come around so we can't play Dolly House.
No, me not come on there.
More pick sweetie for you. More buy sweetie for you.
Pick sweetie for me.
More buy sweetie for you. With him. Right, so I'm putting it you know, tell I left my sister alone, eh? You know, tell I left my sister alone, eh? Where do I have? I come boy buy a sweet to give my sister, eh? You know, tell left, eh? If you let me, tell me mother. You tell my sister say you promise my sister sweetie, eh? Anyway, let me tell my sister for you. My sister come. So I say I got to take my youth.
Which one of the little pitney just touch me on my body? Which one of us are outside? I really you bully.
And I mean,
you know this. You know say listen. No call right now. Me call him. You know some come like say you sick in your head, dude. Why you come on?
You one.
You 200 just come like saying that some big old guy. Sick and tired. Right now me call me man. You know, brother. You know some man a real bad man around this and lock the whole place. And you really come touch me. You 200. All right.
Yes, no, and I'm a friend.
Alright, what will happen? Can you come like say, what happened to you now? You come like say that.
Yeah. Wagwan, babes.
What you mean, Wagwan? You right now, you know some down the road, yes, brother. And you know say the boy bully, and him not even know who this boy done boy come touch me. The two little penny them a rock me down the road and come lick me from my body, you know.
Eh, the boy bully. him not know a man thing come down. Or if you touch my woman pan her ass, yo, what him there? Them know a bare shellings when me come down there saying them not know a man thing come down already. You know say one bad.
Hello.
Yeah.
You see my daughter, baby?
Yeah, me just pass him and check you up the road.
What you say?
Just pass him and check you up the road.
Alright. Let's see the report I had. Yes, the report I had. Alright. Yeah, big woman know the report I had. Alright.
Let me have a country. You see what I say? Tell us no. Tell us about a country car. Sister. Me have to go, sister. Come, let's see the car.
Watch ya! You not see what one? The boy you move out with bag. Babes, the boy you run off, you know?
Tell him say don't move, me a come down there right now. Don't move, me a come down there right now.
The boy you run away. Watch ya! See there, he might take yo, you see? Alright. Babes, me will call you back.
Bye.
Alright, baby. Alright. Turn up right as so. What are you doing in that bush, little girl?
Pee-pee.
Let me ask you one more time. What are you doing in that bush?
Me didn't go pee-pee.
Me not taste enough for left yard. Me not taste enough for left yard. Eh? You're fear. You're fear when people chat to you.
Baby!
You're fear when people chat to you. You're fear when people chat to you. No, let's back yard. Go up in our yard.
Big boy!
What do you mean, big boy? Go. Go.
Big boy!
Hey, I can get catch now.
What big boy there?
Get catch.
Sure, some just a big boy, some right off here. Chucky,
Yeah?
you not see big boy?
I not see big boy. I not see him.
Oh yeah, me not see him like I saying over your yard.
No, big boy gone, so big boy no come back.
Chucky, when you tell me nothing, me no believe you. You and big boy I see him thing, you told no liar.
When me could have hide big boy, see me and my family then their yard and relax. Big boy not there for true. Maybe yard lose your mind like daddy.
Lose mine like daddy. Make me catch big boy I come from over your yard and we stiffy me and you and your papa.
Wait, I still have to take a come from home, so big boy.
Listen, Chucky.
Where? Hazma?
A boy bully. He get some lick.
How lick him?
Big boy see me talk to his sister. And I try butt me up and I try go like him and beat me up. And me and girl a pass. I'm slap her up on her body. And the girl box him in the face and beat him up. And now he run away gone so we can grow on again, we're not afraid again. So, the brother them and bust up the head.
So we can get the girl for free?
Yes, we have grown there and beat up his brother them and make them know say we run thing.
What I want to take this time, because you know say cute to take Plum and popsicle.
No, all mommy want to beat him.
Beat everyone?
I want to your grandmother and your grandfather.
Grandpa, yeah, born in the feed 16. Come on, where you go up so?
No, talk to you again.
Me not left you yard, yeah? You not see me? Me see you, red man, me see you. Daddy, I look for you. Come here, little boy. Come. Where you go? Where you go? Me see you. No, go on in my yard. You have to keep your yard.
Come keep me in the head, Chucky.
Go on. Go watch here, Daddy, I call you.
Chucky, come keep.
I don't like you, no big boy. I like you. Me know I'm going to yard. Me know I'm get my road, I run the road.
Black boy! Yo!
You know, me I walk up and down all day I fly kite. I find Chuck and tell me say, Chuck me sleep off your yard. Half fight off me then. So split in a half then. You take half and me take half.
You want the wheel?
No, half, cut in a half.
I can give you the wheel.
Black boy,
Yes, ma'am.
you know, feel your time now if you go home and go bed.
Yes, ma'am. Just give me 5 more minutes. Your father don't know how to wait for you, you know.
No, I beg you 5 more minutes, please. At your time. Please.
5 minutes.
Yeah.
And you need to go bed after the 5 minutes. You see, 2 hours on a school time, you're going to give on 5 minutes. Just 5 minutes, no longer than 5 minutes.
Yeah, that's why I love it, say, you know. My eyes are giving me blind, my mother not give me no blind.
You have to know if you treat quickly. You hear?
Yeah.
For 5 minutes.
Yeah. Eat ram all night. I sit on me like. Yeah. Yo. I don't want to fight a check for myself, you know, brother.
You tell it to the wheels.
Right, cut it up and get off, right? Every time I tell you today, when I run up and down the night, you know.
Yeah.
Yo, me happy today, see, man.
Happy.
Cannot even know. Yo, you read like a pretty, you know. You read like a pretty.
Hey, red man. We are doing a so good dog.
What's up, brother?
We are too young to step on the road, random.
No, sir. I want to check along like up for me truck, sir.
A big
Give me
boy
my truck.
I mean, find it first.
Give me my truck.
I mean, find it first.
Give me my truck. Look at boy, move. give me my truck.
You know, man, I'm telling you,
I feel me truck this.
You
Move.
know, so no unfair. Do what you do with me?
One, don't go watch yourself. One, don't go watch yourself. Move it, brother. One, go watch yourself. One, don't.
this stuff. I mean,
Let's see that. Let's try it.
Miss Cheryl, big boy, she did that's what I'm talking about. Alright, welcome.
That's where my friend over chop.
Hold this up. Alright.
Yeah, I'm big boy, so wicked.
Let me see your hand first. Let me go look funny.
Ready.
Black boy! Let me see your hand, black boy. Let me see. See there your hand. Watch there. Look how your hand broke. Come, me carry you go straight up my mother. Get up. Take your time and get up. Take your time and get up, man. Try and get up. Yes, come. Me carry you go straight to my mother.
Mommy, before I back the truck.
Look, you find it back. Oh, you so sweat up. One in go bed, man, and you dirty up the place. Change your clothes. One go bed. Turn up and look and nasty up the place. This can stay clean, sake of you.
Me not know where you broke your hands up for. Where you broke your hands for?
Like, oh, chuck. Oh, fine.
What about one chuck?
You want to look a red chuck? The chuck ugly
You
now.
broke a red chuck up, me son of it out there.
Look a red, ugly red chuck, man.
And you broke your hands for that? Yeah. Alright, come. Straight on my mother way. Yucky book. Yes, man. Because you don't have no right to broke your hands. Good night. You see big boy, push down black boy and broke it and over one little
I don't understand. Wait, hold on. How the chuck argument go? What happened between the two of them making push him down and broke his hand? So black boy, where you say happened between you and big boy?
How up on the hill did they play and the whole thing I find the truck and him run come and say I feel truck and he push me down and broke my hand.
Alright, listen to me now, Cheryl. I'm sorry for hear what happened to your son. You understand me?
Yeah.
And me throw away the chuck when me I go look for my son. So the same place when you find me and me throw away them, I just take up one piece of stick same time and start to walk like I'm at somebody to look for my son. But me never see him. Me I go call him and ask him what happened right there, so cause
You know saying get trouble though.
yeah man, me know saying you get trouble all the while. Big boy! Yeah. Big boy!
Yes, mommy.
Don't let me come in there for you. Come to me. Minute you make. Every minute you make people have to come to me. Come right here, sir. Where push on your woman pitney from broken hand?
Mommy, I lie in my tell palm, mommy. In coming at my house, mommy, and thief out my truck, mommy. I come and I see him up there, so mommy. I'm take my truck from him and in Japan and say me.
Big boy. You see the woman pitney come in your house, can't even truck. Big boy, I made that show the truck because you're too bad. You're too little and lie. Watch me. Go in.
Mommy, me see you.
Go on inside. Go in, go there. You're not lie. Anyway.
Yes.
I'm sorry for what happened to your son. You
Yeah,
understand?
sorry too.
I'm sorry for what happened between my son and your son.
Yes.
And the break and you may know I go one thing and fuse, but me we take the full responsibility of it. So if you carry him go doctor and anything
carry him go doctor.
yes, whenever you carry him.
Me carry him go doctor tomorrow.
Yes. Anything then charge you?
Yeah.
We just give it back.
Okay then, well, alright, well, we carry him go and we carry the bill come give you.
Yes, and thanks for your time.
Alright, yeah, man.
Alright.
Everything good.
Sorry about that, you hear black boy?
Yeah, man. Alright.
I'm going bossing you every minute he put me in a watching me. Matter of fact, me not sleep now. Watching me. Big boy, open the door.
Mommy, me a bed.
Open the door. Me no want you say you're bed. You need to open up the door.
Soap in my eye. Soap in my eye, mommy.
soap in your eye. You're naked. Look how long you gone in the bathroom. Boy, hurry up and come out of the bathroom. Me a wait for you. Me go see how long you stay in there for. You not come out.
Mommy, me naked.
So what make you not pull the door? Open the door, big boy.
Me naked, mommy. So come.
You start turn man now. You smell your arm. Wait till you come out. Now worry yourself. Stay in there. Nobody come out. I hope you live in there. Cause like in my bathroom you live. Stay in there.